Hi, I'm Terry from Muck Truck, and I'm going to show you how to set up the brake to the transmission on a Muck Truck product. The first thing we will put is the cable through the chassis, and make sure that it's loose on this plate here. So it needs to be loose. Then what we'll do is, the first thing to set up is the actual red brake lever. We'll set this up so that it's 3 inches from, or 75 mil from the top of the handlebar grip to the tip here of the red brake lever. So to set that, we have to undo the lock nut and adjust this cable. Now this doesn't adjust the brake, it just adjusts the lever itself. So I'm just going to get a ruler. So we're going to adjust it so that it's 75 mil, 3 inches. And then you lock up the lock nut. That is set. Then you go to the front part of the chassis and make sure spring is connected onto the lever for the transmission and the front of the chassis. That should hold that lever forward, and that's where the tension for the brake is. So to adjust that correctly, we need to turn this nylock nut here, and when we turn it, it adjusts the angle of the lever. So we want it just forward of 90 degrees to the chassis. So if this is where the wheels sit, that lever is just forward of 90 degrees. Once that's adjusted, then we attach the cable correctly. So you just lift on the cable with your fingers, put the lock nut down, make sure that cable is loose so it's not pulling against the spring, and then lock it into position. And that's how you adjust it. So then, when I push the red brake lever, you will see underneath here that the lever moves, and that releases the brake, and when you let go of the red lever, it applies the brake under spring pressure.
We hope you found that video informative. Please feel free to like or share with any friends or colleagues. We regularly add new videos relating to our products, and these can consist of action, product overview and how-to videos. To receive these in the future, please subscribe to our channel. For more information on this video, either give the office a call or visit the website, links below. My name is Keith Douglas from Fresh Group Products Limited, and our main contact number is 0333 880 6654. Thanks very much for watching.